Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In this one, we will see how to connect Google AdSense to your site using BlogHunch. So the first thing you need to do is grab your analytics code from the analytics dashboard. And once that is done, you can head over to BlogHunch. And from there, we will move to the settings from the dashboard. You will find this SEO section right under the website. Just click on that. And here is the first input, Google Analytics ID. I'm gonna place the analytics tracking code that I found from my analytics dashboard. And once that is added, you can hit the save button. Once this is saved, we can head over to our blog. Now let's hit refresh and let's take a look at the source code. And here you see, right before closing the head tag, there are two scripts that are basically adding the Google Analytics tag that you have added. So all you need to do is just put the tracking code and we are going to add the rest of the script tags for you. So this is how easily you can set up analytics for your blog using Google AdSense and BlogHunch.